a wonderful machine. Try sitting absolutely still for 5 minutes. Don't even blink. Can you do it? Every day, we move our body in thousands of ways. We open and shut our eyes. We smile and pout. We sit, walk, and stand. We keep moving all the time. Sometimes we are conscious of our movement. Many times we don't even realize that we have moved. It happens unconsciously. For example, if a fly comes too close, we automatically move away and use our hands to drive it away. Don't we find ourselves in different position when we get up in the morning? All these movements are possible because our body is a marvelous machine. The more you learn about it, the more magical it seems. Bones. Bones hold our body together and help us to move. The bones inside a body vary in shape and size. When a baby is born, it has around 270 bones. As it grows older, some of the bones fuse and join together, bringing the number down to 206. The bones make up the skeleton. The skeleton is nothing but a living framework of bones. The skeleton continues to grow till the age of 20. There are 29 bones in our skull, 27 bones in each hand, and 14 bones in our face. Bones are light but very strong. They are made from different materials. They are smooth and hard on the outside with a spongy layer inside. Bones meet at places called joints. There are about 100 joints in the body. It is because of the joints that we are able to move, bend, twist, and turn our arms, legs, fingers, toes, and back. The largest joint is in our hips. The smallest joint is inside our ear. Joints are covered by cartilage. This stops the bones from rubbing against each other as we move. Bones are rigid in nature. They can break if bent too much. Different joints are designed for different kinds of movement. The elbow and knee joints allow movement in only one direction. The hip and shoulder joints allow movement of legs and hands in all directions. The wrist and ankle joints allow movement from side to side as well as backwards and forwards. Movements and exercise act as machine oil for our joints. The more you use your joints, the better they will work for you. Muscles. Muscles make up for nearly half the weight of our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Muscles make all our body movements possible, whether it is jumping or swimming or smiling or blinking. To do this, muscles become shorter and thicker and pull on the bones to which they are attached. Muscles can pull but not push the bones. That is why they always work in pairs. Just give your widest smile. You have used 17 muscles of your face. There are more than 30 different muscles in your face which you use to smile, frown, wrinkle your nose, pout, etc. The brain sends messages to the muscles via nerves. Some muscles work non-stop, like the ones in the heart, the stomach, and the intestines. We are not even conscious about their movement. Brain. The brain is the control center of our body. It is tiny, almost the same size as your two fists put together. But it keeps all parts of the body moving. It is linked to the rest of the body by nerves. This is the center where the messages or information are received, read, and then acted upon. It is the most efficient computer in the world. In order to continue working, the brain requires a constant supply of oxygen. Glucose is the food that helps your brain to work efficiently. The brain is responsible for our thoughts, feelings, and memories. It is the place where you think, remember, feel happy or sad or angry, and also dream. The brain is protected by the skull. The brain is divided into two parts. The left half controls the right side of the body. The right half controls the left side of the body. Kidneys. We have a pair of bean-shaped organs called kidneys located towards our back on either side of the backbone behind the stomach. They clean the blood by removing waste products and unwanted water from it, which then leave our body in the form of urine.